In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up as a translator on Transifex. So, what you first want to do is go to Transifex by typing Transifex in Google and then looking for this website, which is transifex.com, and it says Transifex, the easiest way to localize. Now, press this, and once on the website, you want to click up here on the right where it says Join a Project. You can then see a list of a bunch of projects, okay, as well as the most active projects. And let's say I want this one, which is bitbucket.org or .org, okay. Now, when you click it, you'll be able to see that some languages aren't 100% translated. For example, we have Hindi, Swedish, Vietnamese, Italian, Esperanto, and stuff like that. Now, if you know any of these languages, you can as well help and then help with kind of translating these projects. Now, you can click Join this project over here, and it will ask you to log in, okay? Now, once you do that, log in and create an account, you'll have to put in your name and surname, and then what you'll be able to do is also select the languages you speak. Now, of course, if you want to help in a project, you'll have to speak a language which hasn't been yet completely translated. Now, as you can see, for me, I would have to know Italian, Polish, Vietnamese, or any of these that aren't 100% over here. Pretty much any besides Dutch and Chinese would do in this project. Now, let's say I was able to speak German, even though I can't. Now, I would have to click Join this project, and then after logging in, I'd have to put in German over here, or just simply scroll down and see if it's possible that your language hasn't been yet translated fully. So I'm going to type in German, and as you can see, it's available to join. You want to click it. You want to agree to the license agreement, read it of course, and then click Join Project. Now with this, you'll be able to join project and you'll be able to start translating. Now, that's pretty much it. As you can see, you only have to click translate up here and it will take you on and it will tell you everything you need to do and everything you need to kind of change and translate, and that's pretty much it. So that's how you sign up as a translator on Transifex. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.